Is an aerial view of the home from the front. And here's a ground view, quick peek around the neighborhood. And now we're heading up the drive. The view of the entrance and the front porch. The view back from the porch. And heading inside. First, we're going to walk through the entrance area here so you can see the great room. Nice stone fireplace. Lots of light. Open concept to the kitchen and dining room. There's a view back toward the entrance where there's guest quarters. We'll see that in a bit. But first, let's take a look at the kitchen. And you can see the open pantry there peeking out a little bit. We'll come back to see that in a bit. Here's a view from the island toward the dining room. Nice plantation shutters, open for lots of light here. Nice slider out to the back porch. And from here we're going to head into the master suite, which is around this corner. We're going to pass the master bathroom to the left here. Take a quick look at the bedroom first. Nice and spacious. The room's set up a little desk area here. And from here we're going to peek around to the master bathroom, which is on our right. Nice walk-in shower, double sinks. From here we're going to step across and peek inside the shower here, past the rain glass. Nice little area here in the front to sit. The seating area back in the end. Nice tile work. Plenty of light. Here's the walk-in closet. And right there's a potty closet. We'll pass that up for now. And heading back toward the great room. And from here we're going to turn around this corner, go take a look at the guest suite. To my left here is an office with a double door. View out the front. Across the hall here is a half bath, which is convenient to the great room and the office. Heading further down the hall, here's the guest bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. View out the front. From here, we're heading back toward the great room. And we're going to peel around to take a look at the garage, laundry room, and the pantry, which is next to our right. Nice walk-in pantry. Lots of space, high and low. Across the hall here is the laundry room. Plenty of cabinets up top and some folding space. And through the door here is the garage. It's a 2-car garage with a bit of extra space to the left and right for storage, plus some storage up top, which you can see here. And there's some extra space up front as well. Here you see the waterworks. And to the right here, there's a little desk, a little work area. So there's enough room in front of the cars for a little workshop. And some additional storage over here, including their refrigerator. That door there leads to the backyard. Heading back inside. Alright, from here we're going to take a look at the backyard, going through this extra slider. If you're entertaining, you can open up both sliders and create an indoor-outdoor space. Here is an aerial view of the back of the home. The home borders a wash area, which is all sort of woodsy and won't be developed, so plenty of privacy. And some nice foliage to look at. Here's the backyard from the ground view. Nice covered back porch, plenty of pavers. Area set up with artificial turf. There's a little seating area toward the back, which makes a great coffee spot. And a view down the side. There's a closer look at a nice wall in the back and all the landscaping. And that's it.